How to use sticky notes in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll have to go to your search bar and then search for sticky notes. So once you find it, go ahead and open it, and then here, uh, a small tab will open for your sticky notes. Now you can just tap on the plus sign and then add your notes. So you can add anything that you want. And once you've done that, if you tap on the three dots here, you can change the color of the note. So you can even copy the note or delete it if you don't want it. Or if you want to just edit the text or the font style, then you can just go to the icons on the bottom and then just work around with it any way you want. It's as simple as that. You can even add screenshots if you like, and you can just pop out the note too. It's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.